Alright, I told you I was going back. I didn't have room the first time, so I got extra, just in case somebody likes what they see. Anyway, my back hurts. Beast, baby. Another Midnight Madness. Biden, another beast. Corona, Master Party. Color Infinity. Top G. Color Cliffhanger. Eruption. God, I mean, you've seen the video, so I keep saying it. Oh, I should open that box right now. Oh, it's a silver top. There's not even art. Alright. Fucking look at that artwork. Anyway, Drippery 130 shot. It's a nice cake. So we got a couple of them. Dirty Sanchez. 2 more Picassos. Turbo. It's a heavy cake, even though it's none yet. Anyways. Another drip. Zozo. Dream Killer. I'm gonna have that demo up. And then, if you didn't know, New Jungles. I can feel this soft, huh? I mean, the size, these are barely a little bigger. If they are, I'm not sure. They look just barely bigger. I'm gonna do a demo of all 3. Figure out which one's loudest. And, I almost forgot the most important one. Any clown cake is good with me, man. This is Bojangles 150 shot. Slamming ass cake. Brand new. Plava Laguna. Maybe some of you are too young to know what this is from. It's a 1-1.